Hello, today we will guide you through how to see P&L Calendar in Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find the P&L Calendar inside Axiom Pro using the portfolio area. If you're following along on your own screen, it helps to stay on the Solve view shown in the platform so the layout matches what you see in this guide. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page for Sol. This is the starting point for the process, and from here you'll be able to access the section that contains your portfolio tools. Once the page is loaded, take a quick look near the top area of the screen so you can identify the navigation controls. Next, click the arrow key at the top to reveal your portfolio panel. This arrow expands the area you need, so if you don't immediately see your portfolio options, this is the control that brings them into view. Make sure the panel fully opens before moving on, since the next option will appear there. After that, click on Portfolio. This will take you from the Discover area into the part of Axiom Pro where your positions and account performance details are organized. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the portfolio interface is fully visible before continuing. Once you're in the portfolio section, go to the top left and click on Spot. This is an important step because the P&L Calendar option is accessed from within the Spot view. If you're seeing multiple tabs or account views, double-check that Spot is the one selected so you're looking in the right place. From there, click on View P&L Calendar. This opens the calendar view where you can review your profit and loss information in a date-based format. It's a useful way to track performance over time and quickly understand how your trading results are distributed across different days. If you don't see the option right away, take a second to scan the Spot section carefully, as interface elements can sometimes be easy to miss depending on your screen size or zoom level. Staying in the correct portfolio tab usually resolves that. And that's it. You've successfully navigated from the Discover page to the Spot portfolio view and opened the P&L Calendar in Axiom Pro. Thanks for following along, and you can return to this same area anytime you want to review your performance in calendar format.